Boss, pakibilis!
Josh! Bilis! Josh!
Running na? Ah, okay.
Ay, nakawak niya ni Josh.
Mike?
Wala, hindi mo kailangan.
Uy.
Ano naman ito, Matt? Grade 2 lang?
Game. Pasok na, first leg yun. Kawasaki! Sinabihan mo na rin ng baka.
Ano na din?
Galing na.
Ah, okay. May contact na. Team 2 sila, di ba, Denny?
Team Dennis na naglagay mo? Ay,
Hindi, dito sa...
sa iPad. Team ko siya pa.
Ang may number na gulo na naman. Dala ko naman.
Bangis!
Kasi boy, hindi tinapos yung oras? Hindi tinapos yung oras?
Tinapos gago.
Puta ka ng pinort pa ako, puta. Puta ka na slot. Sampo. Wala. Ulit bukas, talo yun.
Hoy, Thomas! Ayan o, bukas!
Uy, bola!
Sino starting nyo? Sino isa nyo?
Wala.
No jersey, no play.
Minus 10, minus 10.
So, naka nyo, no?
Technical.
Wala yung kanya, SK pa lang. Hindi na nakapaglaro ng SK yun. Tagal na nawawala, jersey niya.
Sino isa nyo? Apat lang si Bruce.
Kasi nakarami.
Ano pagod, ha?
Ano po? Jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 0. Jersey number 0, pass to jersey number 24, pumukol ng 3. Not good, nakuha ni jersey number 2. Jersey number 2, dribble the ball, pass to jersey number 15. Jersey number 15. Pass to jersey number 2. Pass to 15 muli, pass to number 11, pumukol ng 2. Not good, nakuha ni jersey number 9. Jersey number 7. Floater, not good, nakuha ni jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 15. Nasundutan na ako ng jersey number 9. Number 24. Pass break by jersey number 6. Back to jersey number 2. Not good down na jersey number 11. Jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 15. Number 15. Jersey number 15. Dribble the ball. Pass to jersey number 0. Pumukol ng 3. Not good na ako ni jersey number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 33. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 15. Pass to jersey number 33. Pumukol ng 3. 3. Jersey number 6. Jersey number 6. Dribble the ball. Jersey number 6. Pass to jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number 7. Pumukol ng 3. Bumawi. Jersey number 0. Pass to jersey number 15. Number 15. Jersey number 15. Dribble the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 11. Pass to number 0. Pass to number 2. 5 to shoot. Pumukol ng 2. Not good na ko ni jersey. Out of bounds. Jersey number 6 dribble the ball. Jersey number 6 pass. Jersey number 7 pumukol na naman ng 3. Not good. Jersey number 15. Number 15. Pass through by jersey number 33. Number 33. Number 33. Number 33. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 15. Shot block. Same ball. Jersey number 15. 3 to shoot. Number 2. Good for 2. Jersey number 6. Nagmamadali jersey number 6. Pass to jersey number 7. Perimeter shot. Good for 2.
Kita mo yun, par?
Jersey number 0. Jersey number 0 dribble the ball. Pass to jersey number 2. Jersey number 2 dribble the ball. Pass to jersey number 15. Number 15. Pass to number 2. Perimeter shot. Not good ako ni jersey number 8. Pass break by jersey number 6. Nagmamadali jersey number 6. Jersey number 6. Layup. Good for 2 by jersey number 6. Out of bounds. Out of bounds.
Wait ka daw kasi.
Oo nga, tama.
Nasa 2 minutes naman, stop time. Every quarter.
Jersey number 0. Pass to jersey number 8.
Ilang free throw, right?
Jersey number 8. Perimeter. Nakakuha ni jersey number 33. Nagmamadali number 33. Number 33. Good for 2 by jersey number 33. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 6. Jersey number 6. Pass to jersey number 7. Pumukol ng 3. Pasa lang pala. Number 24. Step. Not good. Nakuha ni number 15. Easy lang daw. Pass break by jersey number out of bounds. Same ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 15 na sundutan na ako ni jersey number 24. Pass to number 7. Nagmamadali. Easy layup. Good for 2 by jersey number 7. Number 15. Number 15. Foul.
5 minutes.
Jersey number 24.
Sino si Val?
Pwede naman mag-stop na.
Pag na-shoot, boy, pag na-shoot yan, sakto na pwede na. Di ba? Sakto dapat.
Lapak eh.
Pasok ka, pasok.
Ano makalang may
Last draw.
Ang Gatorade, boy.
Basket. Jersey number 6. Jersey number 6 dribble the ball. Jersey number 6. Pass to jersey number 8. Number 8. Floater not good na ako ni jersey number 11. Pass break by. Pass break by jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. Ganda nun. Good for 2. Timeout. Team Dennis. Remaining time 5 minutes and 7 seconds. Official score 11-9 in favor of Team Dennis.
May 6 kayo, tangina nyo.
Back to the ball game. Jersey number 11 inbound the ball, pass to jersey number 6. Jersey number 6. Jersey number 6. Pinasa sa ilalim. Jersey number foul. Jersey number 33.
Nice pass, boy.
Number 8. Jersey number 8 pass to jersey number 13. Pumukol lang Teres. Not good. Nakakuha ng jersey number 7. Number 7 misstep. Good for 2. Jersey number 11. Number 11 nagbababa ng bola. Pass to jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 15. Number 15. Number 15. Pass to jersey number 11. Nasunod na nakuha ng jersey number 6. Jersey number 6. Jersey number 6 nagmamadali. Jumeli. Not good. Nakuha na jersey number 15. Jersey number 15. Pass break by jersey number 0. Number 0. Pumukol ng 3. Not good. Nakuha na jersey number 21. Pass to jersey number 7. Number 7. Pumukol ng 3. Not good. Nakuha na jersey number 15. Same ball. Number 2, pass to jersey number 15. Number 15. Number 15, dribble the ball, pass to jersey number 11. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 15. Pass to number 2 again, perimeter shot. Not good, nakuha na jersey number 0. Number 0. Number 0, nagmamadali. Easy layup, good for 2. Number 11. Pass to number 15. Pass break by jersey number, nasundutan ako number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Number 6, dribble the ball, number 6. Pass to number 30, pass to number 6. Perimeter shot. Not good, ako na number 15. Number 15, pass to number 0.
Push mo pa, boy.
Number 0. Pass to number 0, pass to number 2. Perimeter shot. Not good, ako na jersey number 7. Nasunod na nakuha na jersey number 2. Pass to number 0. Pass to number 11, perimeter shot. Not good, ako na jersey, nakuha niya pa rin. Tubia. Not good pa rin ako ng number 7. Number 7, nagmamadali number 7. Pass to number 13. Wala pa rin nakuha ni number 6. Number 6. Good for 2 by number 6. Number 15. Jersey number 15, dribble the ball. Number 15. Pass to number 0. Pass. Nasunod na nakakuha ni number 6. Napakasipag na ito. Easy layup.
Nice one, Gab.
Langanin. Number 11. Pass to number 15. Number 15, dribble the ball. Number 15. Pass. Nasundutan na nakakuha ni jersey number 0. Number 0, pass to number 6. Nagilang Wembanyama yun. Number 2. Pass to number 0. Number 11, pass to number 0. Number 0, good for 2 by jersey number 0. Traveling violation ang tawag ng referee. Official score 17-13 in favor of Youth. Number 33 inbound the ball, pass to number 15. Number 15. Number 15. Pass to number 33. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 11. Foul. Jersey number 6. Remaining time 55 seconds. Number 15. Number 15. 50 seconds. Foul. Jersey number 13. Number 11 inbound the ball. Pass to number 33. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Pass to number 2. Perimeter shot. Not good. Nakuha ni jersey number 0. Jersey number 0 ay naarangkada na. Jersey number 0. Pass to number 6. Good for 2 by jersey number 6. Pass break by jersey number 0. Number 0. Not good. Nakuha ni jersey number 6. Jersey number 6. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 7. Number 7, perimeter shot. Not good. Wala pa rin. Nakuha niya pa rin. Nag-pump. Good for 2. Last 10 seconds. Number 33. Oy, pumigay lang pala. End of the first quarter.
Ano po na lang ulit? 13-21.
Official score 21-13 in favor of Youth.
Dito yung araw, di ba?
Bola ng black. Gana. Ang galing mo lang. Ano mo?
Hindi, okay na yun. Wait lang.
Wait lang, players.
Wait lang, Rep. Pumiti tayo mo. Tinanggal mo din.
Wait lang.
Biglang di na kayo sa...
Patay na, pakikaw na.
Anong word ginamit? Oo, yung nakakabit ko. Nakakabit yan? Oo, ano nangyari ka?
Ay, gumana ng controller.
Tama mo dito yan.
Pagdali ka kaya.
Ay, yung mga yun. Yung stop na mga
gana yan. Yan.
Ano tayo magpalit? Ay, hindi.
Ayaw mo na ng kwarta.
Gulo ko naman.
Ito na lang. Ayaw nung ano.
Ginagana yung score pa.
Ayaw araw mismo na ginagawa. Tama na. Ayaw mo na yung kwarta. Alam naman natin yung kwarta. Kwarta rin mo na lang dyan ha. Sige. 21, 30. Ayaw mo yung kwarta. Okay lang.
Okay lang, kahit third quarter.
Ayaw gumana. Mamaya.
Ginagana yan. At yung pagpalit pa.
Jersey number 15.
Ito lang ayaw gumana.
Number 15, pass to jersey number 33. Pass to number 15. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 0. Pump. Number 0, foul. Who's foul rep? Jersey number 24.
Ito gagamitin mamaya ha. Subukan natin yan.
Si Edward yung foul, 24 yung foul.
24.
Sige boy, team call naman tayo sa iPad. Okay lang.
Number 15. Pass to number 2, perimeter shot. Not good. Nakuha ni jersey number 24. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Number 8 umikot. Not good. Nakuha ni jersey number 33. Number 33, pass to number 2. Number 2, dribble the ball, pass to number 15. Number 15. Pass to number 11, pass to number 0. Number 0 umikot. Not good. Nakuha ni jersey number 7. Number 7, nagmamadali number 7. Pass to number 8. Good for 2 by jersey number 8. Number 11. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Number 15. Number 15. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul. Number 21. Number 0. Number 0. Easy, good for 2. Jersey number 24. Number 24 nagmamadali. Good for 2. Good for 2. Grabe, masas yung number 21 ah. Number 15. Number 15. Pass to number 2. Number 2, perimeter shot. Not good ako ng number 24. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 7. Ravening violation. Numilaw.
Wala pa. 5 minutes.
Hindi, sila mamimili, di ba? Hindi po mamimili na kapasunan. Wait lang, yung mamimili.
Wala nang kapalit lang.
Ano talaga? Tapos na ang kasiyahan niya.
Number 15. Number 15. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 2. Perimeter shot. Good for 2. Number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 7. Number 7, dribble the ball. Pass to number 7 uli. Dalawang 7. 77. Number 8. Perimeter shot. Not good. Ako na jersey number 7. Number 7. Not good pa rin ako number 20. Number 20. Number 20. Ball na 3. 3. Number 8. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. Pass to number 7. Pumukol ng 3. Not good na ako ni jersey number 20. Number 20. Number 20, dribble the ball. Pumukol ng 3. Not good. Nakuha ni jersey number 7. Number 7. Turnover. Number 15. Pass over number 0. Number 0. Not good. Nakuha ng jersey number 7. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Nagmamadali. Pass to number 21. Not good. Nakuha ng jersey number 8. Number 8. 3 seconds. Violation. Bawal ka mang itlog dyan. Jersey number 0. Number 0. Pass to number 2. Number 2, pass to number 20. Number 20. Perimeter shot. Not good. Nakuha niya pa rin. Pass to number 0. Not good pa rin. Nakuha ni jersey number 8. Pass break by jersey number 7. Pumukol ng 3. 3.
Ano rin?
2 points lang. Number 20. Not good. Nakuha ni jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 8. Pass to number 21. Nagagawan. Number 15. Number 15, dribble the ball. Number 15. Pass to jersey number 20. On, number 20. Good for 2. Number 8. Number 8. Jersey number 8, dribble the ball. Gumagawa ng play. Number 8. Jersey number 8. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Pumukol ng 3. Not good. Nakuha ni jersey number 7. Number 7. Not good pa rin. Nakuha number 15. Pass to number 20. Number 20 nagmamadali. Number 20. Good for 2. Mandatory substitution. Number 6. Jersey number 6. Number 6. Jersey number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 24. Pass to number 0. Pumukol ng 3. Not good. Nakuha ni jersey number 15. Number 15. Number 15, dribble the ball. Pass break by jersey number 0. Number 0. Wala pa rin. Nakuha niya pa rin. Pass to number 2. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni jersey number 24. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Number 6 nagmamadali. Pass to number 13. Turnover. Ball ng Team Dennis. Number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Number 20. Bomba. Foul. Jersey number 6.
Wala pa, 3 pa lang.
Number 20. Number 20. Pass to number 15. Pumukol ng 3. Not good. Nakakuha ni jersey number 0. Pass break by jersey number 21. Nakuha number 15. Pass number 20. Pumukol ng 3. 3. All na po. All number 0. Number 0.
Aggressive boy, aggressive.
Number 0. Pass to number 0 again. Pass number 21. Good for 2. Pick and roll. Number 15. Pass to number 0. Pass to number 15. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 20 pumukol ng 3. Not good. Nakuha ni jersey number 24. Foul. Who's foul rep? Jersey number 24.
Tatlo na yan. Ward, tatlo na yan. Tatlo na yan.
Warning sila, penalty.
Parang iwan.
Number 2. Pass to number 15. Pass to number 0. Number 0, pass to number 11. Wala pa rin nakuha sa labas. 7 seconds to shoot. Number 15. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 5 and 1. Bonus draw. Basket. Number 6. Number 6. Number 6 dribble the ball. Jersey number 6. Number 6. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 21 pumukol ng 3. Not good na ako ni jersey number 0. Jersey number 0 nagpapagod na jersey number 0. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Number 20. Not good na ako ni jersey number 0. Number 0. Foul! Jersey number 24.
8 point! Apat ka na!
Apat na Sanford.
Isa na lang. Ten.
Not basket.
Patrick Neville yung
Last shot. Basket. Number 6. Pass to number 0. Number 0. Number 0.
lahat na.
Pass to number 6. Pumukol ng 3. Not good na ako ni jersey number 0. Good for 2. Number 15. Jersey number 15. Pass to number 20. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 20. Pumukol ng 3. Not good ako ni jersey number 2. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Good for 2. Jersey number 24. Number 24. Pass to number 6. Pumukol ng 3. 3. Number 20. Number 15. Pass to number 6. Number 0. Not good na on jersey number 0. Pass to jersey number 6 sa sundutan na kuha sa labas.
34 yun.
Nakapasigap. That was
Number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 0. Pass to number 24 pumukol ng 3. Not good na kuha na jersey number 15. Number 15 dribble the ball. Number 15. Pass to number 0. Number 0. Last 1 minute number 11. Pass to number 20. Pumukol ng 3. 3. Naman na po ang Team Dennis ng dalawa. Number 0. Jersey number 0 dribble the ball. Number 0. Number 0. Pass to number 6. Pumukol ng 3. Mintes. Nakakuha ni number 15. Number 15, 45 seconds. Number 15. Pass to number 0. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Good for 2 by jersey number 11. 30 seconds. Number 6. Number 6. Number 6 dribble the ball again. Number 6. 25 seconds, number 34. Good for 2 by jersey number 34. Timeout, Team Dennis. Remaining time 23 seconds.
Bobo yung lagi yung point over yung mga play. Bisa kaya kasi.
Number 20. Pass number 15. Number 15. Number 15. Pass number 2. Pass number 15 again. Number 15. Pass number 0. Pass number 11 from the Colondor. Not good ako ng jersey number 2. Putting the shot. Not good ako number 0. Pass number 20. Official score 36-38 in favor of Team Dennis.
Ayos yun na. Tapos second na. Ay, kukupa na yun.
Low.
Second up naman.
Half time pa lang. Kasa ng 3 minutes.
Mic check.
Dinagdugaan mo kasi.
Pass jersey number 6. Mic check, sound check. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yung pinakauna yung Manila.
May homer. Homer.
Parehas na nila. Ito ba yung Manila?
Hindi ba yan? Pinakauna niya lang.
Buksan mo. Hindi, buksan mo. Ang araw ang problema. Wala kayong araw. Pero okay naman.
Kanina ito magana.
Yung left lang. Pero
Kanina
yung araw madali lang.
yung pinakauna ito magana.
Bali.
Ito yung pinakauna. Ang problema na ito kanina yung
Okay na. Ano po ulit?
Kanina pre?
on off mo yung boxing.
So kanina.
Ito, 30, 30. Nga, dyan.
Wala pupunta dito.
Dito na yung araw na
Ganyan. Bangga!
Gotcha!
36 yan.
Game na, tapos na yun.
Minura eh, no? Ayun, wala nila, no? Tanga, tempo.
Ay, dati.
Wala na tapos na yung kasiyahan ng youth lang, ha? Hindi ka masaya.
Game na, game na! na aking ina-arthritis na nga daw.
Tapos mo na kasi hindi mo, boy. Konting tapik mo lang, boy. Ang dami ng masakit.
Jersey number 7, pass to number 6. Number 6, pass to number 7, mumukol ng 3. 3.
Wow!
Ayaw ng Kawasaki. Yan, par.
Number 20, pass to number 15. Number 15. Number 15. Number 15, dribble the ball. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 15. Pumukol ng 3. 3. Number 8. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 7. Pumukol ng 3. Not good. Nakuha ng jersey number 15. Number 15. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Pass to number 2. Perimeter shot. Not good. Nakuha ng jersey number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 6. Number 6, good for 2. Pass break by jersey number 0. Number 0. Number 0 nagpamadali. Layup, good for 2. Jersey number 20. Pumukol ng 3. 3.
Aray ko, marasok pa.
Number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 0. Number 0 layup. Good. Not good. Nakuha jersey number 0 pa rin. Good for 2. Number 11. Number 11. Pass to number 15. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 0. Pass to number 15. Number 15 pass to nasunod na nakuha ni jersey number 11 pa rin. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 15. Pumukol ng 3. Not good. Nakuha jersey number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 8. Number 8 good for 2. Pass break by jersey number 20. Pass to number 0. Number 0. Not good. Nakuha jersey number 0. Pass to number 8. Number 8, pass break by jersey number 6. Number 6, good for 2. Number 15. Number 15. Pass to number 0. Pass to number 2, perimeter shot. Not good, our jersey number 8. Number 8. Number 8, nagmamadali. Good for 2. Number 2.
Good.
Number 2, pass to number 15. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Number 20. Pass to number 0. Pass to number 2, perimeter shot. Good for 2. Number 0. Number 0. Number 0. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 6. Traveling violation. Number 15. Number 15. Number 15. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Pass to number 2. Perimeter shot. Not good. Now on jersey number 15. Number 15. Foul. Jersey number 0. 2 shots by number 15.
Gab. Dairit. Gab Dairit.
First draw. Basket.
Pasko.
Pasko.
Next possession natin.
Pasko.
Second draw.
Block off.
Basket. Number 7 pass to number 6. Number 6. Number 6 pass to number 0. Number 0. Number 0 nagmamadali. Not good. Nakuha niya pa rin. Nakuha number 20. Pass to number 20. Number 20 nagmamadali. Number 20. Number 20. Pass to number 2. Perimeter shot. Good for 2. Number 7.
Point guard na.
Number 7. Pass to number 6.
Nakakatabi.
Number 6. Number 6 pass to number 0. Ay, number 8 pala. Not good ako ng jersey number. Number 15 pass to the jersey number 20. Number 20. Good for 2.
Good clap, good clap. Good clap, good clap. 20.
Number 6.
Sila ginawa na.
Number 6.
Good clap.
Number 6 dribble the ball. 15 seconds shoot number 8.
Strike.
Number 8. Not good ako niya pa rin. Good for 2.
Good clap,
Number
good clap.
15.
Nice clap, Gab.
Pass to number 20. Pumukul ng 3. Not good ako yung ng jersey number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Not good ako yung jersey number 15. Number 15.
Sino tumawa?
Number 15.
Gago ka
Pass to
doon.
number 11. Pass to number 0. Number 0. Pass to 15.
Money yung gout.
Pass to number 2. Pumukul ng toss. Not go na ako jersey number 2 pa rin. Pass to number 20. Pumukul ng 3.
Bang.
Not go na ako. Foul. Number 0.
Defensive. Ay, ano sila? Sub, sub, sub! Sub.
Gab! Gab! Tatlo. Sino?
Number 15. Number 15 pass number 20 pumukul ng 3. Not good na ako ng jersey number 0. Number 0. Number 0 nagbangadali number 0. Pass to number 8. Pumukul ng 2. Not good na ako ni. Nakuha niya pa rin. Bordering wala pa rin nakuha ni. Number 15 pass number 20. Number 20. Turnover. Ball ng youth.
Pagod na si Bruce, baka!
Number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 7 again. Pumukul ng 3. Not good na on jersey number. Number 30. Number 33. Number 33. Pass to number 20. Number 20 pass to number 2. Perimeter shot. Good for 2. Roaming test. Number 8. Number 8. Pumukul direct. Pass to number 0. Pumukul ng 3. 3. Pass break by jersey number 20. Number 20. Perimeter shot. Not good na on jersey number 2. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Pass to number 33. Number 33. Pass to number 20. Pass to 15. 5 seconds shoot. Pass to number 11. Shot clock violation. Remaining time 2 minutes and 58 seconds.
Sarap pag-quarter na lang.
Number 6. Number 6, pass to number 0. Number 0. Nasa labas, ball ng Team Dens.
Time out kayo. Time out daw sila. Time out. Time out.
Number 15. Number 15.
Binigay.
Pass to number 33. Pass to 15. 15. Not good on jersey number 0. On jersey number 2. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Good for 2. Time out Team Youth.
Time out. Isa na lang sir. Wala. Ito may time out pa sa time mo. Tatlo ka pa lang, tatlo.
Number 6. Number 6. Screen by number 24, number 6. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Foul! Number 15. First throw. Not good.
Lakas mo, Dad.
Second throw. Not good naman yung number 30. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Pass break by jersey number 20. Foul. Who's foul rep?
Sino foul?
Number
Graduate.
24. Number 24. Graduate ka na.
Bis ka na. Ward, bis ka na. Ayun na, defensive menace.
Number 21. Pass to number 0.
Hindi.
Palpal. Nakuha ni jersey number 6. Number 6. Nagmamadali. Number 6. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 6 again. Layup.
Pass, G.
Good for 2. Connection.
Kida.
Number 20.
Kida.
Number 20. Umukol ng dos. Not good. Nakuha ni jersey number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Good for 2. Jersey number 20. Number 20. Foul. Number 8.
Si Kelvin kasi sa kanya na yun eh. Tao na yun eh. Ayaw na yun.
Number 15. Pass to number 20. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Nagmamadali. Number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 7. Umukol ng 3.
Bang! Kida! Senji Kobayashi ka nga.
Boss,
Number
Kawasaki di, parang sa RD.
Gab ng ulan eh.
Number 20. Pass to number 15. Pass to number 0. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Not good. Nakuha ni jersey number 7. Number 7. Pass to jersey number 7 again. Layup. Good for 2. Number 20. Number 20. Perimeter shot. Good for 2. Number 7. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Not good on jersey number 15. Pass to number 20. Number
Oras, sabi
20.
ninyo.
Umukol ng 3. Not good on number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 6. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Nakuha ni. Nakuha number 6. Number 6. Nasa doon nakuha number 15. Pass to number 6. Number 20. Number 20. Number 20. Number 20. Easy 2 points.
5 seconds.
Number 7. Umukol ng 3. And third quarter.
Huwag na kayo mag-choke sa fourth. Sagad pa. 10 minuto pa.
Yung galitin si Dad. Sino ka?
Akin lang yan, nagsa-cellphone tapos kumakain sa bench.
Kumakain ng chicken ni Nasay. Ang inang chichiryo yung osip-osip lang. Basa kayo no, pre. Pinapiya yung Alcoreza name.
sabi ko lang naman eh.
Hindi kami nag-time out.
Number 0, pass to number 15. Pumukol ng 3. Not go na on number 0. Number 0. Jersey number 0. Pass to number 8. Good for 2. Number 0. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Pass to number 0. Number 0. Pass to number 20. Number 20 pass to number 2. Perimeter shot. Good for 2. Number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Pass na number 0. Pumukol ng 3. Number 20. Number 20. Lifting. Violation.
Pangit rider, parang nagbabawan eh, no?
Number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 0. Pass to number 7. Pumukol ng 2. Good for 2.
MVP, dad.
Number 15. Pass to number 0. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 0. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 0. Number 0. 5 seconds to shoot. Nasundan ako number 7. Number 7 pass to number 6. Number 6. Not good ako number 2. Number 2 pass to number 15. Pass to nasundan na kuha sa labas. Same ball.
Mr. Last time.
Number 20 pass to number 15.
Mr. Ford.
Not good ako number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Nagmamadali. Offensive foul by Jesse, number 7.
Walang team foul na.
Dalawa.
Number 0.
Ilang madami pa yan.
Pass number 2 perimeter shot. Good for 2. Number 8. Number 8. Pass number 7. Pass number 6. Nice one na po number 8. Pass number 7. Bumukol ng 3. Number 20. Pass number 0. Bumukol ng 3. Not good ako rin number 8. Number 0. Number 0. Number 0 pass number 7. Bumukol ng 3. Number 15. Pass break by jersey number 20. Nasundan ako number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Easy lang daw.
Nahiya tuloy, gago ko eh.
Number 0. Number 0, perimeter shot. Not good ako number 20. Number 20. Number 20. Pass number 0, pass to 20 again. Pumukol ng 3. Not good ako ng jersey number. Same ball.
Basket lang. Basket time.
Number 15.
Bata ako pre. Mga bata.
Number 15. Pass to number 2 perimeter shot. Not good ako number 0. Pass to number 20. 10 seconds to shoot. Pumukol ng 3. 3. Number 7. Pass to number 8. Pumukol ng 3. Not good ako ng jersey number 11. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Number 15 nagmamadali. Perimeter shot. Not good na Oni. Ball na. Team Youth. Number 0. pass to number 7. Number 7, good for 2. Number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Number 20.
Oy!
Now number 7. Pass to number 8. Number 8, good for 2.
Oh. Tuloy pa pre, wag niyo i-choke yan. Tangin niyo.
Tig-dalawa tayo
Number 15. Pass break by jersey number 0, pass number 20. Good for 2. Number 8. Number 8. Jersey number 8. Number 8.
G, doon ka lang, G, doon ka lang.
Seconds to shoot. Number 6, pumuha ng 3.
3.
Number 15. Number 15. Foul.
Apat.
Sino?
Jersey. Number 0.
Apat.
Apat na yung sigab.
Gab, apat.
Number 15. Pass to number 11. Not good ako niya pa rin. Basket.
Goaltend.
Goaltending.
Oh, running time. Tama.
Number 7. Pass to number 7 again. Number 7 si Palpal nakuha number 15. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Turnover. Pass to number 0. Number 0. Floater, good for 2. Number 0. Number 0. Pass to number 20. Pass to number 0. Pass to number 2. Perimeter shot. Not good. Nakuha ni jersey number 7. Number 7. Number 7 nakuha nila. Pass to number 7 again.
G, oras.
Number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 0. Pumukol ng 3. Not good na ako ng number 20. Number 20. Number 20.
Depensa nyo, tangin nyo.
Pass to number 2. Number 2, good for 2. Number 6. Number 6, pass to number 8. Number 8, floater. Not good na kuha ni jersey number. Number 15. Number 15. Pass to number...
Nice D!
Nakuha number 0. Number 0. Number 0. Number 0 nag-bound na layup. Good for 2.
Ano, delay.
Warning pa lang.
Hindi, delay.
Number 20. Number 20. Number 20. Now, number 8, pass to number 6. Number 6, good for 2.
West.
Running time na. Baling basket. Oh.
Nakasunod na nakuha ni number 6. Pass to number 7. Muna 3. Not good. Nakakuha ni jersey number 20. Number 20, good for 2. Number 7. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Number 6. 5 seconds to shoot. One dos. Not good na yung number. Number 7. Pass break by number 20. Good for 2. Remaining time 1 minute and 53 seconds. Number 6. Number 6. Jersey number 6. Jersey number 6. Number 6. 10 seconds to shoot.
Meron naman yan.
Number 6. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 7 kumuha ng dress. Number 2. Number 2, pass to number 20. Kumuha ng dress. Not good ako number 2. Number 2, kumuha ng dos. Not good pa rin ako number 6. Number 6.
Nice one, Gab. Nice one, G.
Number 6. Kumuha ng dress. 3.
Pre, pipicture ako kayo mamaya, pre.
Number 0.
Tanga legit.
Number 0. Kumuha ng dress. Not good ako ni number 20. Kumuha ng dress. Number 0. Pass break by number 11.
Start party na, pre.
Number 7. Walang press.
Pasok ba?
Number 11.
Kasi di pa na eh.
Not good. Number 11, good for 2.
Ilan yun?
Ito yun. Alis ka rin.
Nag-break. Eh, gano'n break. Tingnan ko kung papapiliin ka rito sa apat. May isa kang tatanggal. Tingnan mo isa.
Bola, picture.
Hindi.
Sige, picture.
What sa akin sa